Welcome to Bangkok. Today I'd like to show you how we use the public transport in Bangkok here and how easy we go around the city. We start off with Airport Link. This is the fastest and the easiest way to travel from Suvarnabhumi, the city, and then back from the city to Suvarnabhumi also. Cheapest way as well and fastest way. Let's go and see how. Right, here we are at the ticket vending machine. Okay, all you have to do is press the station you want. You can change the language as well, from Thai to English, English to Thai. And then most of the station we go is the last one, Phaya Thai. Number of passengers you can pick up to 5. Price will come up here. All you have to do is put note in here, coins in here, and then wait, ticket will come out right here. At Makkasan Station, you can connect to MRT Phetchaburi Station. End of the airport rail link line, you can connect to BTS Phaya Thai station from here. Here we are, less than 1 hour we're here in the city and we're ready to connect to the next public transport, BTS. Let's go and have a look.